Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about another single food item, peanut butter. And some of you are looking at, whoa, I got peanut butter. I got the big containers of it, and I got several of those. Cool. How often do you go through that big container of peanut butter? I know when we have peanut butter, we don't go through a big one. Usually we have the smaller ones, and we go through the smaller ones because it tends to go bad before we can go through one of those big ones. So we just get it in the smaller containers. So think about that when doing your planning for your prepper pantry. All right. How fast are you going to be going through your peanut butter? And some of the people are going, well, it's SHTF. We're going to have peanut butter and jam sandwiches all the time. It's like, no, you're not. You're going to get sick and tired of peanut butter and jam or peanut butter or whatever being used all the time because you have big, huge, massive containers of it, and you've got to go through it before it goes bad. So properly plan your peanut butter storage. All right. Figure out how much you go through, what it tastes like at the end of using those, the largest container you use, to figure out, okay, this is the largest container I can use. Is this size. I can't use this size. Probably work better if I got the next size smaller, just in case, to keep it from going bad on me. So look into your peanut butters. Now, talking about peanut butter, my wife has been looking at the ingredients a lot and talking to me about it. And so we are changing up the brand we used to get because it has a lot of these oils and other crap added to it to make it stay nice and creamy and smooth and everything else. And even if you're getting the chunky version of it, it still has all this crap added to it that is not peanut butter. So look into the ingredients as well, and just in case you want to change things up. All right. And as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, peanut butter. Why? This is why.